This was our very first time at the Queenscliff Harbour Observation Tower, and it was Team Abaquita who recommended this spot. And wow, they were right. We decided to take the stairs instead of the lift, hesitant at first, but ready for the challenge. It was a bit of a climb, but totally worth it for the experience. And we reached the top. The view was simply breathtaking. You have to see it yourself. Every angle is photo-worthy. We couldn't stop snapping pictures. Highly recommended for your next coastal adventure. Thank you, Team Abaquita.